Isenzo Sam has caused you harm and pain. If you push me away,
I've never pushed her. He is still continuing ukuba manipulative. Hayi mina ngaye umthombeni. He's not himself.
Yona impilo nje sesiphilayo mhlawumbe nesephila forever.
uma kuphuma lo mengangifuni la ngeke ngize ngihlale.
I don't think there will be any peace anytime soon kwaThando neSithembu. Kwamseleko nje in general, I don't think i-peace izoba khona and leSithembu sizosebenza because soloko iqalile i-episode ne-season bokama-fights kuphela. We've been watching fights. Reconciliation, sitting down and talking, being honest, azikho zonke lezo zinto. We haven't found isigcino nje soqolo kwaThando neSithembu. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Sonke siyazi ukuthi nje uMacele akamfuna la ahambe ngakhona uThobile. We all know that. And sesixolisile inhliziyo ngalokho and we don't know what's behind the motive ukuthi bezondani. We don't know. But for me, I feel like uThobile was just joking njengoba bekathi isitimela saseMzumbe. And uMacele waketcha ama-feelings because uMacele nefamily yakhe went to a TV ngenkathi beba-recorder and then ifamily kaMacele kwathiwa isitimela saseMzumbe uThobile konje bani igama lakhe nguMayeni noMangwabi bababiza ngesitimela saseMzumbe. So since from then I think bathathe leyo ndaba leyo and they're just referring just ukuspitha uMacele. And ugirl iyamdina lento le. Angazi why adinwa ama-actions akhe because she's the one family yakhe belibasho kanjalo kwathiwa nje uThobile noMangwabe noMayeni isitimela saseMzumbe. And then when it comes to Umusa, guys, Umusa is a manipulative man. He can just sit down abafazi bakhe and each and every wife of his, he can just sit down and say, hey, and let's forgive each other, let's move on. He wants to create problems instead of apologizing and just taking accountability. Yeah, accountability is very much important. That's why uMayeni bekathi itherapy kahle kahle idingwa nguMusa kakhulu. Mangaya nje ku-therapy I1 and just ebuyiswe nje ubudoda bakhe back. Just ancenge nje abafazi bakhe, abancenge until kuba right nje endlini. Already he created a home ehlukene ngokubatshela ukuthi omunye nomunye akabe nomuzi wakhe ngaphandle. Nakufaka nje u-number 5 nje, so he must live with what he created and stop creating a-drama nje. This is what will happen nje kule viki elizayo kwaThando neSithembu. Mina I don't see i-goal abekumele basikhombise yona ukuthi sibonke at the end of the day they end up being reunited. I don't see end goal la, guys. What are your thoughts on this?